Hey guys, so today is December 4th, day 4 of Vlogmas in 2022, and today we're starting in the kitchen because I kind of woke up late, and so we need to make breakfast. We're going to be making 𝖵Λki𝖾치ki𝖾, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the process, and then maybe later in the day we can go unbox a little advent calendar.
И сердцем чистый ангел искромна. Как тебе повезло, мы все знаем, и радость твою разделяем. Только Бог не поймем, что в тебе нашла она.
Okay, so today is the 4th of December, Vlogmas day 4, and that means we are opening this box. A little figurine. That can join the snowman over there. This is where the snowman is. We can add them right about here, and they can be just like talking. I don't know, I have no idea why a snowman would talk to like a Santa Claus. But yeah, they're talking. Let's assume they each have their own car. Like, you know, each is having a tree. He's just grabbing a little tree. Yeah, you can make up any imaginable story with those two.